Yeah.
So it'll be a lot of people coming for lunch. You'll make a killing, man. You won't be able to probably keep up with it. So much buildings. See that office building? So many buildings are there.
Yeah,
It's
there's
probably
a lot,
all
man.
walking distance, you know. It's not
Yeah.
a lot to get in the cars to come here.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I think it'll be good, man. So, and the restaurant's right over there. Empty space is right over there, man.
Right over there, yeah. It's a perfect location.
Man, that place would be a good place to get, man.
Oh yeah. See all these places back here, the parking is underground.
Okay.
This place here, there's got a place
Oh,
right
in
on
here?
the top.
Yeah, this is not bad either, man.
No. See that? There's a huge place on the top.
Yeah, this is not far either, man.
No, it's right there. This is where there's a big, huge apartment complex. They got about probably 800-900 apartments there.
Okay. And it's probably a little cheaper here, huh?
Yeah.
Look, for lease up there. Express.
Yeah.
Okay.
See that? That's all empty, all the way over there, so you can take any of it.
Man, okay. On the upstairs, huh?
Yeah, you can take any of it. That one there, there's one over there, there's over there, there's one right over there in the corner.
There's
right
a
there,
yoga
tanning
place there.
Yeah. So the people come at night for yoga there. There's a gym on
Yeah.
that side. So you can open at night too. And a huge parking place.
Yeah, this could be good too, man.
This will be way cheaper than that one there.
Yeah, this is probably very economical.
But it's right across from that place, so it's not too far from there either.
Yeah.